Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry.
What? You just punched me.
Today's like Vlogmas day 2 or 3. I don't know. I already don't know. But today we are decorating for this little girl's first Christmas. Eric and I have on our Christmas pajamas from last year. We don't remember them being like so short on our ankles, but nonetheless, we got all of our Christmas bins from my parents. There's Poppy Seed scoping it out. But I'm just gonna, there's like Halloween stuff in here too, so I'm like looking to see what we got. There's our tree. We just like moved everything around. So it's very cluttered over there now, but that's okay. We'll make it look better. Right? Are you excited for your first Christmas? Are you excited? Say yay! Last year, this is my stocking, but last year on clearance after Christmas, we had decided on Isla's name by then, and I bought her an eye stocking. I think I just paid like $3 for this, and it's normally $15. I don't know why they even bother putting it on clearance, because they have these every year. They could just resell them. But anyways, there's Isla's stocking, my stocking. I think Eric and Poppy's is in, no, Eric and Poppy's is in there. So we're gonna go through these bins, sort out what we want. I hung up our Christmas countdown already, but Eric's looking at his holiday wine. And I think we're gonna put this, there's no place like Nome, above the national park map. Maybe Eric can do that right now.
Sorry.
Do you want
to do it now?
Yeah.
Do you remember it having a large cot on the back?
Yeah, no. But I don't know that we ever looked. It looks like it was always there though.
It looks like this has been like repurposed wood, which is kind of cool.
My mom got it at a craft fair.
Oh, then yeah. It is
This, our laundry's drying. I actually had to put laundry in the dryer right now. Is that where? Oh, my mom got that for us for Christmas, so I don't think we even hung it up. Hopefully it stays there.
Oh yeah, well, there's no place like Nome.
Cute! Above the parks thing. That's funny.
Yeah, that's cool. I like it.
Okay.
I like it. She holds like literally an
Easter bunny, which is the cat's toy, but whatever. Poppy, are you excited for Christmas? She's like, where's my stocking? Alright, let's go through these bins.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer.
Yay! What do you think? What is that? Is that your Christmas tree? Do you like it? She's like, I don't know. I don't know, Mom.
I think we'll just leave it like this year. We're not even decorating.
Oh, she wants to touch it.
No, we don't want you to touch it.
Do you like the Christmas tree? What do you think, Beans? She likes it. So I thought I bought a Christmas tree skirt last year on clearance, but oh, camera's still broken. But I can't find one anywhere, so I don't think that I did. So we're just gonna put a blanket around it like we did last year. And then this year my mission will be to buy a like tree skirt on clearance. Although I think I don't want a tree skirt. I think I want one of those like tin things that go around the bottom instead of a tree skirt, or like a wicker one. I think those are cool. So maybe I'll be able to find a good deal on that. No, it's like metal. It's like a bucket. It looks like, kind of, I don't know, it looks cool. Eric's fluffing the tree. I love how Herb looks with the tree. I don't remember having Herb last year, but I guess we did because Danielle gave it Herb. Oh no, she's stuck on the blankets. We got Herb like in October last year. My cousin gave it to me as like a thank you present for helping, or I don't know, I don't remember why. Something with her wedding. It's my first Christmas! It's my first Christmas! Woo! Woo! Sorry, it's like blinking on the screen from the tree, but I think the bulk of our decorating is gonna be done when Isla's asleep because she really wants me to just hold her right now and she's calling all over the place. So, and Eric's about to start making dinner. I'm gonna pack that away. That's more of a Thanksgiving thing.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know why we have that out year round, but that's definitely a Thanksgiving thing.
Because we're thankful, greatly blessed.
Anyways, my stupid camera, maybe we'll fix it tomorrow with a glasses fixing kit. But Eric's about to start making dinner. He's making penne alla vodka and chicken cutlets, I think. But we're gonna put
Oh.
she's mad because I'm not picking her up. But we're gonna put one ornament on the tree together
you're
as a family.
down.
Yeah, my camera's broken. It needs to be screwed in. They can't tell that it's upside down. Cutie. Okay, let's put one ornament on the tree together.
I got this one.
Okay, let me. Wait. Can
I'll tell you what, these Home Depot trees are excellent.
can you take
This
her?
is like 40 bucks. What?
Yeah, you take her so I can get a good angle. Yeah, there's kind of an ornament that I wanted to put on the tree with her.
This one?
No.
I already have it over here. Can we put it up?
Don't put it up without me.
I'm not.
Okay. So, show everybody what the ornament is. This Believe one. And we're also going to put up this
Oh, yeah.
social distancing field. Okay. So, we ran out of storage. But anyways, we're putting this Believe ornament that's out of focus and this social distancing failed one. Okay, ready, Beans? Let's put your first ornament on the tree.
You ready?
Can you help Dad? Can you help Daddy?
Does this one look good? Yeah?
Yay!
How's that look? Right in front of the light. That's
Yay!
nice, right? Yeah, oh.
You want to help Mommy put one on now?
Thank you. That looks so much better now.
Can you help Mommy?
How mommy?
Okay. Ready? Where should we put this one? You hold it. Hold it. Let's put it right. Good
Oh,
job.
good
Can you let
job.
go? Good job. Yay! Good job. That's so nice. I love you. Say good night, guys. I see you in my mommy's next video. I'm putting her to bed. Eric's almost done with dinner. We're gonna eat and then probably decorate a little bit more. Like, your cute little jammies. They're little sissies. These are like the boy version, but we like them. Okay, say good night. I'm so tired.
Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the seasons.
Poppy's laying with me. She loves when her sister. Oh. I was just saying that she loves when her sister sleeps. She can hang out with me and then she bit me. Ow! Jeez. Okay, enough. So it's like 10 o'clock. I think it's after 10. And Eric and I decorated a little.
Oh, well, yeah.
We got the tree. We didn't put any decorations on it. But we got the stockings up. The tree's there. Eric wants to go to bed. And the Christmas tree lights make it like flashy in here. But that is it for today's video. Make sure to come back again tomorrow for more. Subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Good night.
Abby, say bye. She's not talking to me now. She's mad.